In this video, I am issuing you an open invitation to the Spring Kitchen Vignette. Stay tuned for the details. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. I am so ready for spring. I'm tired of winter, I'm tired of the ice, and I am tired of the snow. I'm ready for the promise that spring brings. So I thought it was time to extend my invitation to all of you to join me in a collaboration of creators showing off their spring kitchen vignettes. These collaborations are always a lot of fun, and people always bring their A game. And the vignettes can vary from practical and functional to as pretty and as elaborate as you please. Now, just to be clear, what's a vignette? Well, a vignette is like a little scene. Imagine that you're at a play and you're watching something on the stage. The particular scene that you're looking at right then is a vignette. It's just like a little piece of scenery. And what we're asking you to do is create a little piece of scenery, a little spring vignette for your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the details. First of all, it must be on a tray because it's got to be portable. If I have anything on this counter, I need to be able to move it aside so that I can prep or whatever I'm doing. If it's on my kitchen table, I gotta be able to move it aside when we're trying to plan dinner or whatever. But it's got to be portable because the space in the kitchen is always in high demand. So that's number one, it must be on a tray. It can be 2 tiers, 1 tier, whatever. You get to decide that, but it just has to be on a tray. The second thing is you must have some spring flowers. I am so ready for spring flowers, and I'll bet all of you are too. So you must have some spring flowers in this vignette. And the other thing is you need to have either a bird, because birds are harbingers of spring, or a bunny. Now, this is not an Easter vignette, it is a spring vignette. So birds and bunnies are always abundant in the spring. But it's not an Easter vignette, so we don't want to see Easter baskets and jelly beans and that kind of thing. It's just spring. So there's that. The last thing you have to have is something with words on it. Now, it does not have to be a book, but you do have to have words. And I have been really impressed with how creative people have been in getting their words on their vignettes. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you might have to share. Now, let's talk about upload dates. The videos are going to be uploaded. We'll do it together on Tuesday, March 12th, anytime after 7 a.m. Again, that's Tuesday, March 12th, after 7 a.m. Eastern. I will have a hashtag, which will be Spring Kitchen Vignette 2019. Again, that's Spring Kitchen Vignette 2019, and we will use the hashtag to help populate the playlist. So make sure you've got it in your title and in your description box. Now, should you have trouble, don't worry about it. I will create a link that you can use if you need to, or you can contact me if there's a problem. But you shouldn't have any problem getting it uploaded. And then the other thing that I'll do is I will also link the previous spring kitchen vignette and this past winter kitchen vignette down below, so you can check those out. So you kind of get an idea as to what some of the other people have done. You're gonna love it. And you can really get some great ideas for spring decor by looking at what all the other creators have done. And then the other thing is this. You also get new eyeballs on your channel, which is something we all want, and we'll probably gain some new subscribers. So I hope you plan to join me in the Spring Kitchen Vignette 2019. And before I go, let me also invite you to check out my video that deploys tomorrow. It is the My Everyday Life evening routine, and it's a collaboration that I am doing with Ricky Luyan and Shelly at Born to Book. We are each sharing our individual evening routines on Tuesday. So I hope you will join us. So watch my video and then go on over and you check out Ricky and Shelly. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.